Good evening, Blindies. Well, it's Thursday night again. Yeah, that means when we're in Bundaberg, every second Thursday, you've got the Repco Bundy meet and greet. And we're here. Last time we were here, we showed you a little Austin. And I was just talking to the owner, he doesn't want to get on camera, and that's cool. But he's got another little Austin. This one's a 1954 A40. So check this rig out, guys. Do a tour around so you can. Where are we?
Back.
Alright, still filming?
Mm-hmm.
Alright guys, well what I'll tell you is about the Austins in Australia that I know. Austins were made famous by Peter Brock. He had this crazy little A30 that he chucked a 179 motor into, and he pretty much terrorised people for years in that car and launched his career in it. So there's your limey history of an Austin, because that's about all I really know, guys. But Austins are cool cars. Let's go find something else to check out.
3, go.
G'day guys, we're back and we found a Skyline. Now I've already been informed it's twin cam turbo, which means possibly a GTR, but what model Skyline it is we're going to find out now. Alright, where are we? This guy's been gracious enough to let me touch the car. Now for me with Skyline, it's all about tailweight. Then you hit I've got to blind first. Gently touch my way up here. We got a wing. Okay, where's tailweight? Some more modern Skyline. Is this an R31? No.
You might have to ask again, Jace.
Yeah, these taillights aren't round, are they? They are, but they're not. They're like square shape. There's no round bits in there, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but
it's a cover.
Big ones. Yep, I'm pretty sure R31. I'm gonna feel the front.
On the money.
On the money?
You're on the money.
There we go. Silhouette?
No, it's
GTS. Oh, a GTS X. Now years ago we had a red GTS come into Smithwood exhaust when I had the exhaust shop, and it was very nice car. And this having a twin cam, you put the twin cam upgrade in, have you?
it had the twin cam RB20 in it originally.
Yeah.
And then we've upgraded to an RB25 out of an R33.
Nice.
So it's got a bit more pit.
Yeah, awesome. There you go, guys. A nice R31. I know my brother Jack will love this one. He had one years ago. Thanks for your time, mate. And we'll hope to catch you again in another meeting. Cheers, buddy. Thank you very much.
No problem at all.
Thank you.
Alright, let's go find another car, guys. Alright, I'm a bit disorientated. Running out of reflections, so I'm going to have to hold your arm first.
Yep,
I
okay.
don't want to run into anyone's cars. Someone else right here. Clear.
They stop.
G'day guys, we're
Oh,
back.
hang on. Oh, no, it's going, it's going.
It's going? Alright, g'day guys, we're back. Harley come pulling up, love that noise. Well, we've got another Jap car this time. We love our Jappers here, especially our 80s cars. And this bloke's got a Toyota Corona he's going to tell us about. How are you, buddy?
Not bad yourself.
Not too bad. Tell us about your beast.
It's a 1986 Toyota Corona. It's got a 2S standard 2-litre in it with web carby. I put cut and shut S13 coilovers in it. It's got a 5-speed and XCD racing clutch.
Nice.
Does the job.
Just something nice to cruise around in, have some fun in.
Well and truly have some fun in.
Something different from everyone else getting around.
Yeah.
We like our bluebirds and coronas and that on the channel. So
Yes. Looking for another one. So.
looking for another one.
Yeah.
A friend of mine's got a 1985 Bluebird station wagon for sale.
Nice.
I'll talk to you off camera about it. There you go, guys. A nice Toyota Corona. Let's get a walk around of it for you. Yeah, a friend of mine, we fly cars all the time out in the desert. And yeah, we just found a fleet running 1985 Bluebird. It's got the CA28 motor in it, 5 speed, and it is 100%.
One, go.
Well guys, like 2 steps away from the Corona, we found another one. And this one belongs to a lovely lady and she's going to tell us all about it.
Hi guys, good, thank you. I've pretty well got the exact same as my friend here with the station wagon version. He's actually given me his motor, so he ended up saving my little bluebird, my little blue boy.
Yeah?
There's honestly not much I can really say that's been done to it at the moment besides some springs, some new lights, and my new radio. That's about it. Other than that, getting some paint done soon and some new bodywork. That's about it really at the moment.
Good to see a girl getting into the scene and checking cars out.
I love my old school cars. I had a Holden originally and then I fell in love with my mate's one and ended up getting this one. So I love it. It's a good little car, little 5-speed manual. So
That's the go, good reliable, something different, unique to drive around.
it is. It's good fun.
Yeah, awesome. Thanks very much for your time, love.
No, you're all good, huh?
And have a great night.
You too, guys.
All
Have a good night.
There you go, guys. We'll do a walk around and we'll find something else.
Go.
G'day guys, we found a bike. It's 2015 Fat Boy. Now we love our Harleys here. I'm pretty sure Donna will be like, ooh, because she's got a Road King. What do you reckon, Donna? Would this be nice cruising around with you? We'll do a walk around this one and we'll find something else.
You can keep on talking if you like. I can hear you.
Love my Harleys, guys, as you know. One day we will have another one on the channel. Until then, we'll keep beating up on these rice bikes. I can smell it.
Go.
Rightio, we're back, guys. This time we've got an XF Falcon and it's green. We all know green is nice. So, check this one out. It's very hot, so I'm not going to touch it. I don't know if it's a V8 or a 6 or whatever. But maybe you can tell me in the comments, eh? That'd be nice. Let's have a look around anyway.
It's actually yellow with a green bonnet.
Yellow with a green bonnet. Oh, this is that turbo car. Is it? Is this the turbo car we did last time?
I think it might be.
I thought that was a Barra. It may be the same car. I didn't touch it last time, so I don't know. But it's not. So it could be. There you go. Maybe I filmed the same car twice. Tell me, guys. Bad. Must be a good car if we're going back to it.
One.
We're back, and I'm excited. We found a Fairlane LTD EA. So in other words, NC model. NANC. I could recognise it by the distinctive grille here. We'd all remember that from Beryl. But this one's got a difference, guys. Come for a walk with me. This is cool. That's my walk, eh? Alright, let's count the doors. One door. Two doors. Oh, okay. Good. the doors on this car. Just keep going, guys. Yeah. How cool is that? Now that is a beast. Now this is a party rig. I love my Fairlanes and LTDs. I've owned a few on the channel, as you know. But this is a limo. This one's extra party room. So, DJ, I keep telling you we've got to get a limo. This just proves my theory. Thanks for your time and letting me steal your car over, buddy. We appreciate it. Let's go see if we can find something that's... I don't think there's going to be anything cooler than this tonight, guys. So, alright, let's go.
Alright, mate. You have a good night.
No worries, thanks very much, mate.
Good luck with that YouTube channel.
No worries. So
I'm not much of an internet person, but...
no worries. I'll bring you some stickers next time. I'm going to be coming down this short night. What is that? Oh, I smell the ethanol.
Oh no, they're just moving into a different spot.
We need to interview that car.
Go.
G'day guys, listen to the sound of that can. That is lumpy. And we've got the owner here who's going to tell us all about it. Hey buddy.
Hey mate, so it's a Barra. Last time on the dyno made 1310.
Right.
It's got a little bit of giggle gas on top just to keep going.
Take the spool up on the turbo.
Yeah, and on top, so it's about 125 shot.
Yeah.
It's a tilt motor, turbo 400, 9-inch. All of its gazzards and all the work was done by me in Force Performance up in Toowoomba.
Yeah, that's cool. I know that. You're on from the creator for yourself. So.
Yeah.
Awesome. There you go guys. A very, very lumpy FG for you. Hope you do enjoy. Start to organise to go for ride-alongs with people in the next couple of months. I'm up here full time now. So yeah, if you're interested in doing something like that, just grab me at one of the meetings. I'll give you my number and that.
They're doing a limbo thing at the moment. See, it's got the lowest car, or I'll go to do a couple of laps on the road.
Yeah. When I thought it was a limbo, I was saying, I can probably still limbo. Alright guys, last time we were here, you remember Kermit, the little car we all love? Well, guess what? Here it is again. It's going to enter the limbo competition. Whereas they get as low as they can go. So let's see if how he goes. We'll catch a car. We're just going to do some random filming of the cars as they come past. There we go, a bit of a noise for us. Unfortunately, you just have to tell us in the comments what the cars are.
Walk down this aisle here because there's a fair few nice cars.
Yeah.
But hang on, this is. I didn't get this one on film before.
Okay, is this the glitter
It's got
car?
a really sparkly,
This car's got glitter in it, guys. Glitter's like gold.
Yeah,
Or as DJ say, that's mint. Shout out Automotive Carnage.
Kermit's coming around.
Here we go, Kermit's coming. Kermit low.
So down here,
Alright, down
it's
here.
just all newer cars, but
Newer cars.
all flashy up.
All flashy up new cars. Any owners that we can...
No, they're all down at the limbo.
They're all down the limbo. Alright guys, we're just going to do a walk along and see if we can suss the cars. I hear air ride. Someone's cheating. Alright, we might have to go check this limbo contest out, eh?
It's pretty crowded.
Pretty crowded. I got a cane, we can ram through.
No, we can't.
We can't. I was joking, people. Walking back up the other side.
Yeah.
Cool. There's quite a few cars here tonight, guys, which is good. Awesome to see the community getting out and sharing the love with their nice
And then
cars.
we've got a bike.
We just had a limiter basher leave. We don't need people doing that because that gives us a bad scene. But
Kermit's still going around.
Kermit's, they're still lapping around. There we go. So we feel.
One.
Alright guys, we're back. This one's for you, DJ. I know you love your Beamers and your Mercedes and that. We've got a young bloke here with a BMW, and this one's got a few tricks up his sleeve. Alright, Brody, tell us about your beast, mate.
So this is my 95 730 IL. It's a 3 litre V8 on air ride and SSR 19 rims.
Nice.
Yeah, a bit of a luxury car. It's got all the fruits and veggies.
Yeah. Something very different and unique. It's pretty round, it's fast.
It's not too fast. It's pretty slow.
Yeah, bit of class.
Oh, bit of class. Yeah, no.
Yep. And can we get a demonstration of your suspension?
Yeah, I can do that for you.
Watch this, guys. This is cool. I love air ride.
It's not too loud. It's got silencers on it.
Yeah, that's all right.
And my compressor's a bit slow, but
That's all right. That's all good. At least you've got it. Something to work on in the future to improve
that's
on.
it.
There we go. Alright, what do you reckon, guys? We should do air ride on something on the channel, eh? Next Fairlane, mate.
Fairlane.
Yeah.
I got a Fairlane at home.
What model?
Just a BA.
BA?
Just a 6, yeah.
Yeah, I had a 6-cylinder. That was our star of the channel. Was a BA Fairlane 6-cylinder named Brittany. Unfortunately, Brittany got beaten up, and yeah, she's still getting around. She's not the same girl she used to be.
Yeah.
But cheers, mate, for your time.
No worries. Thank you.
And enjoy your ride, mate.
Awesome. Cheers.
All right.
Yeah, I'm just going around.
You on the walk around? Yeah. We're back. We found a tonner. Now we all know tonners are tons of fun. This one apparently is HJHX for a variant, and it's purple, and it's got a wooden tray. Now, it sounded really mean when it rumbled in, so let's give you a walk around and what it looks like.
One.
Well, there you go, guys. There's another episode of the Bundaberg Repco Thursday night car meet. Done and dusted. Got a nice bike behind us. Really good atmosphere. People are awesome. They even have a limbo competition for the cars. Now, how cool is that? So, till next time we're back in 2 weeks' time at Repco. It's tyres, turning fertility, and much love. See you guys.